Alright, we got two modules from Mod Society, which is the folding mirror and the auto window close and mirror folding module for the 22 BRZ and GR86. Now, seen on the video, this will allow you to fold the mirror when you hit the lock key on the key fob. Now, as seen on the Mod Society website, you'll see that there is the auto mirror and the one with the window close function. Now, as stated on the website, this will only function if you have the auto mirror folding button. Now, let's get on with the install. So first we'll be removing the door trim, so go ahead and grab your pry tool and pry out the cover behind the door handle. After that, grab your Phillips screwdriver and remove the screw. After we're done with the lever, we go down here on the handle. The same thing, remove the cover and remove two screws. Next up, we'll be removing some clips behind this door trim. So we will simply pull it out, and I suggest doing it from the inner side. Now let's roll down the window to give us more view for the next step. Now we simply lift up the door trim and get behind the door levers and lock. Now we simply remove the door lock cable and the door lever cable. Next up, you reach to the bottom and remove the connector on the courtesy lights. After that, we remove the connector for the mirror and window switches. So as you can see, mine has the OEM folding mirror module installed from Subaru, and we'll be replacing this with the Mod Society one. Now here's the harness from the Mod Society kit. Now what's best about this kit is that everything is just plug and play. So as you can see, we have two types of connectors right here. So the big one goes to the front and the small ones goes to the back. After that, we simply connect this module right here onto the harness. So every harness is different, so it will only fit on the right connectors. And now let's just leave that there for a while and give it a test. Now first, let's check the auto mirror folding module. And now here's the one for the window close and auto mirror folding module. After testing, we can now route the wires like this one behind the plastic, or just leave it on the outside with tapes. Now to restore it back to place, we simply do everything in the reverse order. Now the last piece installed, we're done. Now back then, I sometimes forget to fold the mirror whenever I get off the car, so I get pissed how tight the parking spaces in Japan is. But now that I got this, I don't mind at all. So again, big shout out to Mod Society for sending me this product, and this video is brought to you by Mod Society. So go ahead and check their products. I'll be leaving the link in the description. If ever I have some additional remarks, you'll find them in the description below. Thank you and see you in the next one.